is just up the road, just west of Salisbury Beach. Now, it's fairly calm right here. We've got a little bit of wind. We've got some ambient snow floating around. Go up the road, it's a whole different story. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I think you're able to take a look there. We were up there about the time it was high tide. We had flooding. We had several inches of water in the road. That's salt water mixing with the heavy snow up here. That's right along Salisbury Beach. For those of you who know it, you take a left there. I guess you're going to North End Boulevard. You go up towards Seekonk. That's where they are doing mandatory evacuations as we speak. The tide is probably at this point abated somewhat, but they had debris in the road up there. They had all kinds of damage, and you may have seen that they got cars stuck in some of this salt water. Not too much of that, but some cars did get stuck. Hazardous, terrible conditions, and I can't tell you how fierce that wind was, how biting it was.
Weather advisory, one for the diaries, windy and cold, so stay off the road. It's better outside your windows. Stack your blankets, light your candles. There isn't a phone booth, it ain't at the culture. It's a lonely old highway, just me and the plows, making the most of their payday, laying salt in the wounds of the roadway. For your bed I'll beat the cold, with a blizzard in my headlights or an avalanche in the road. Snow blinds every road sign, so I'm counting the miles as I'm going. There's a shroud of black ice forming. The radio sends out ample warning. Up on the next hill, a trailer truckload spill. It spun in a jackknife, and now it's a still life framed by the flares in the cruisers. Orange coats and one sore loser. For your bed I'll beat the cold, with a blizzard in my headlights or an avalanche in the road. Snow blinds every road sign, so I'm counting the miles as I'm going. There's a shroud of black ice forming. The radio sends out ample warning. In hindsight, it's been a long night, and where I was not so cold. Another sound bite up the dash lights, more than a foot or so they're told. 200 miles to Chicago. My eyes froze to the road.